Welcome to Fireteam, a brand new online free-to-play first-person shooter available now for players to battle it out in arenas. Through Fireteam, we use it as a showpiece to show you how easy it is to make your own game through the power of Unreal Engine. Using just blueprints with no C++ coding, no plugins, and using only assets from the marketplace, you can create your own game in a matter of weeks. Furthermore, it gives you the opportunity to learn how to make the game yourself. Simply head over to youtube.com/Ryan Laley and you can find tutorials on how to make your own Fireteam. The game is a fast-paced, action-based, fun-filled game, reminiscent of the 90s genre of shooters such as Quake, Unreal Tournament and GoldenEye, bringing back fun into the first-person shooter genre. And when we say free-to-play, we mean free-to-play. There's zero microtransactions, zero storefront, zero DLC and zero in-game adverts. The entire game is available to play for free. We pit 8 players against each other in each arena, in a variety of different game modes. On early access launch, you can play through 4 game modes: Deathmatch, Team Deathmatch, King of the Hill, and Race. Race is a brand new game mode exclusive to Fireteam. In Race, players race to each gate as they open. The first person to reach the gate will win the point, but before the gate moves to another location. Players must race around the map as fast as they can to get as many points as possible. And this is just the beginning. Fireteam is designed to be an evolving game based upon your feedback and your suggestions. In patch 1.1 you can look forward to new game modes and maps and characters coming into the game. Game modes such as Control, Capture the Flag and many others. We want to introduce more unique game modes too, so look forward to more announcements about those in the future. And in patch 1.2 you can look forward to the modification system, a brand new unique feature for Fireteam. With modifiers, players can add on new gameplay rule sets to each match, allowing to add extra chaos and fun and cosmetic choices to each game, making sure that no game feels the same as the last. And everything that we show in this game, we'll be doing a tutorial for, so you can learn how to make everything you see here. From making the players run around, replicating multiplayer, to main menus, and even packaging and publishing your game available for people to download and play. And every feature we add in a future patch will be given to you for free, as always. And you'll be given a tutorial on how to create that feature yourself in your own game. So if you're playing Fireteam, you don't like it, make your own one. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Simply head over to youtube.com/Ryan Laley to subscribe and start watching at the moment the game is released. On release day, Patreon members on patreon.com/Ryan Laley will get a full chapter of videos available right away to watch and start learning from. And as I said, we'll continue working with you directly through roundtable discussions talking about what game modes and features you like to see added to the game. From 1.2 and beyond, we'll be adding new features based upon your feedback and your suggestions. So make sure you're signed up to our Discord and join the conversation over there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in Fireteam.
I'm ready to play now, put me in the game now. I came here to prove it, I'm ready to do it, I can't be afraid now. Put me on the stage now, I'm ready to rage now. I feel like an animal stuck in a cage and I'm ready to break out.